Thomas is a hard-working steam engine. Steam engines make lots of different sounds, and the sounds sound different in different places. Thomas's whistle sounds like this in the countryside. But what happens when he's in the quarry? The sound of Thomas's whistle has changed. Thomas's whistle echoes. Thomas wonders which of his other sounds change. What about Thomas's brakes? In the countryside, Thomas's brakes sound like this. But what happens when he's in the quarry? The sound of Thomas's brakes has changed again. Thomas's brakes echo. What about Thomas's wheels? In the countryside, Thomas's wheels make a clickety-clack sound on the track. What happens when he's in the quarry? The sound of Thomas's wheels has changed again. Thomas's wheels echo. Thomas is only one engine, but he can make a lot of different sounds. Thomas is arriving at his favorite station. But today, Thomas knows that something about the station has changed. Can you help Thomas find out what it is? Take a look. What's new about the station today? Is it the benches? No, the benches aren't new. The benches were at the station yesterday. What else could be new at the station? What about those posters? No, the posters aren't new. The posters were at the station yesterday. Thomas is sure something has changed. What else could be new? What about those hanging baskets? There were no hanging baskets at the station yesterday. That's right, Thomas. You found out what's new at the station today. It's the hanging baskets. Thomas thinks the station looks even prettier than yesterday. Today, the suspension bridge on the island of Sodor is closed. Thomas has to take a new route to the children's school. Percy tells Thomas the way. First, Percy tells Thomas, you go over Gordon's Hill. Then, steam through Kelsthorpe Station. And then, along by the old windmill, until you arrive at the school. Thomas is ready to set off for the school. Can you remember where he goes first? First, Thomas goes over Gordon's Hill. Then, through Kelsthorpe Station. Now where does he go? Along by the old windmill, until Thomas arrives at the children's school. Did you remember all those places? Thomas did. Well done, Thomas.